Anxiety can be a real drag, making us feel overwhelmed, emotional, and even physically exhausted. Fortunately, there are some nutritious foods that you can add to your diet to help reduce anxiety levels. Welcome to Black Rock Inspired. In this video, we are going to share with you 10 amazing foods that help reduce anxiety. These foods help provide a balanced blend of vitamins, minerals, and other nutritional benefits for better physical and mental health. Not only will they help ease your anxiety, but many of these foods also have unparalleled delights when it comes to taste. Let's get started. Chamomile. Chamomile is a flowering herb that has been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Believed to contain both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile is often thought to help alleviate the symptoms of anxiety in a variety of ways. In addition to its calming effects, there is also evidence showing that chamomile extract may help regulate neurotransmitters related to moods like serotonin and dopamine. So if you're looking for an all-natural way to reduce your anxiety levels without resorting to pharmaceuticals or drugs, then consider giving chamomile a try. Whether you prefer brewing up a pot of herbal tea or supplementing with capsules or drops containing concentrated extracts of this herb, chamomile could be just what you need to help keep your stress levels at bay. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritious fish that has been linked to numerous health benefits, particularly when it comes to reducing anxiety. This fish contains certain nutrients that help promote brain health and can be effective in managing anxiety symptoms. One of the key nutrients found in salmon is vitamin D, which has been shown to be beneficial for reducing anxiety and depression. Research has shown that taking vitamin D supplements was associated with lower rates of negative mood disorders. Furthermore, it indicates that eating salmon 3 times per week for 5 months can improve anxiety-related symptoms such as heart rate and heart rate variability. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids are also found in salmon and have been studied for their positive effects on mental health, including reducing anxiety. These essential fatty acids are believed to support the brain's ability to adapt to changes while managing stressors that trigger anxiety symptoms. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat that not only satisfies our sweet tooth, but may also be beneficial for our mental health. Research shows that dark chocolate contains plant compounds called flavonols which may help reduce stress levels and anxiety. This tasty snack has been found to increase blood flow to the brain while enhancing cell signaling pathways, potentially allowing us to adjust better to stressful situations. Dark chocolate is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals generated during periods of stress. These antioxidants have been found to have neuroprotective effects, meaning they can help defend against the degeneration of nerve cells in the brain caused by oxidative stress. The presence of these antioxidants in dark chocolate could therefore help protect us against neurological diseases like Alzheimer's or dementia. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its health benefits, but did you know that it can also help reduce anxiety? The active ingredient in green tea, L-theanine, has been studied for its potential to reduce stress and promote brain health. Furthermore, there is evidence to suggest that drinking green tea may help boost mood by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter known as the happy hormone because it's involved in regulating mood and social behavior. Studies have also linked serotonin to feelings of satisfaction and improved sleep quality. Eggs. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses, not just for reducing anxiety, but also for overall health. However, there are some key benefits that eggs can offer in helping to reduce anxiety symptoms. Eggs are a great source of tryptophan, an amino acid found in proteins that can help improve mood and promote better sleep. Low levels of tryptophan have been associated with higher levels of anxiety, so consuming more of this amino acid may help to alleviate symptoms. Moreover, eggs also contain choline, an important nutrient for brain health. It can also help improve memory and cognitive function, another benefit for those dealing with anxiety disorders who often report difficulty concentrating or remembering things clearly under periods of high stress or panic attacks. Turmeric. As people seek alternative therapies for mental health issues, many have turned to the age-old spice of turmeric. Recently, studies have shown that it can help reduce anxiety. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties which further add to its ability to relieve anxiety. Its anti-inflammatory effects are due to its ability to reduce certain inflammation in the body, and this inflammation can worsen symptoms of anxiety and depression. Yogurt. Yogurt is a delicious snack that not only tastes great but can also offer various health benefits. Studies have shown that yogurt can help to reduce anxiety, which is why it's an excellent food to incorporate into any nutritional plan. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that play a role in the body's digestive and immune systems. Probiotics may help to reduce stress levels by normalizing gut flow and improving communication between the gut and the brain. Another way that yogurt can promote relaxation is by restoring healthy levels of cortisol in the body. When cortisol is present at high levels for prolonged periods of time, it can cause feelings of anxiety and depression. Yogurt contains various components like essential fatty acids, vitamin B, and minerals that work together to reduce cortisol levels in the body. In addition to probiotics and essential nutrients, yogurt also contains tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin. As we've mentioned before, serotonin is the brain neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation. Eating yogurt as part of your diet can provide your body with tryptophan, as well as other important nutrients such as calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, all of which are involved in helping the body cope with stress better. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most powerful superfoods when it comes to helping reduce anxiety. So why are blueberries so beneficial when it comes to relieving both mental and physical stress? Well, a major reason has to do with their antioxidant content. Antioxidants like vitamin C help protect the body from free radical damage, which can lead to inflammation. This helps the body cope better with stress, both physical and emotional. Additionally, research has shown that consuming more antioxidant-rich fruits like blueberries can help increase dopamine levels in the brain, which is associated with increased positive moods and relaxation. Avocado. The creamy, nutrient-packed avocado is a powerhouse when it comes to helping reduce anxiety. Avocado is packed with vitamin B6 and magnesium, which are two essential elements in regulating serotonin levels in the brain, which plays an important role in reducing feelings of stress and depression, and having a balanced amount has been linked to better mental well-being. Avocado can be added easily to any meal for an instant health boost. Salads, smoothies, sandwiches, and even omelets can benefit from slices of this delicious superfood. Avocados are also rich in dietary fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, all of which have been scientifically proven to help reduce anxiety. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerful natural remedy for reducing anxiety. Rich in magnesium, potassium, and other vitamins and minerals, this humble seed can be a great supplement to help ease the symptoms of anxiety. The role of magnesium in reducing anxiety is well documented. Studies show that magnesium levels can affect how we process adrenaline, serotonin, and dopamine, the hormones responsible for our moods. Low levels of magnesium have been linked to an increase in stress hormones, leading to higher levels of anxiety. As such, it's important to make sure your body gets enough magnesium to maintain a healthy balance. To provide your body with additional support during times of high stress or anxiousness, it's important to eat a variety of foods from each food group, including fruits and vegetables, whole grains like quinoa or oats, lean proteins like lentils or chicken, healthy fats from nuts and seeds and herbs such as basil or parsley. Eating these foods regularly will provide your body with all the necessary nutrients it needs to manage anxiety symptoms more effectively while promoting overall well-being on a daily basis. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. Subscribe on YouTube and follow us on other social media platforms. This helps support us to keep making content like this. Until next time, thanks for watching.